Transform your Ineos Grenadier with the ultimate dash protection from Tougher. This custom-fit dash cover is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, providing a robust shield against scratches, sun damage, and wear. Before fitting your dash cover, make sure to clean the dashboard thoroughly to remove all dust and any silicone-based cleaning products. This ensures that the double-sided tape provided will stick properly. Once the dashboard is clean, position the dash cover on the dash and mark where the Velcro strips are to be stuck down. Split the Velcro, remove the backing, and stick each piece down in their marked positions. The durable material is not only tough, but also stylish, adding a sleek look to your vehicle's interior. We've equipped all of our Grenadiers with this dash cover, and the difference is noticeable. The cover reduces glare from the sun, ensuring better visibility and comfort. As you can see, it blends seamlessly with the Grenadier's rugged aesthetic, making it an essential addition. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through the city, the Tougher dash cover ensures your interior stays pristine. Upgrade your Grenadier with Tougher's premium dash cover and enjoy the perfect balance of durability and style.